What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nicholas, and in today's video, I'm going to make a little baby beat on flstudiomobile. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and like my videos, and watch out. Stay tuned. On the 2nd of June, I'm going to drop my third beat tape. This one I call it Summer Beats 2, so it should be available on Spotify Music, YouTube Music, Pandora, Deezer, everywhere all over the store. So make sure you go and stream and play my music, man. Like, come on. So without wasting any further time, I'm gonna show you how I make a little baby trap beat on FL Studio Mobile. So everything is uncut. I'm gonna show you the video. Make sure you stay tuned, and if you got anything that you don't understand in this video, you can ask in the I'll leave a link on description down. Check it down there if you want to play more of my music. And thank you so much for 530 subscribers. We're growing, we're going somewhere. So more music on the way, more tutorials, and yeah, man. I hope this beat it makes sense anyways. But if you like it, you can send me an email. Check my description. There's all details about me. If you're a rapper or a producer, want me to, you want to work with me, want to exchange some loops, some drums, then you can send me an email. Then I will come back to you. I'm always available. So yeah, man, I like to collab with you niggas. Let's go. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. If I can show you what I did, I started with these low notes, the basic low notes, so that I can get the root notes and make some cop, chord progressions. Then I went straight to the middle notes, and in these notes I had to decrease the velocity so that it doesn't sound too much, and then so that it can be um you know. So then I added the high notes, and then I had to decrease the velocity too, so that because the high notes they have high frequency. So yeah, and then I added the equalizer and the distortion. So if I can turn off everything and play for you, then you can see there's a big difference. So I'm pretty sure you can tell the difference. Then yeah, man, that's what I did for this melody. Okay. Then after the melody, I went straight to the bass. So for this bass, man, all I did was to add the distortion because some of this bass they are not that audible. And then I had to add the leveler so that, oh no, I didn't add I mean the 10 EQ, so that I can master this bass and get the full sound of this bass, because like I said, some of these bass they are not that audible. And then the distortion must be there, because I want all the volume, I want to hear it all, and then so that after that I can add the EQ and master it properly so that it can correspond with my melody. And that was it for this bass. What else did I add? Then after that I went straight to add the counter melody. So I added this lead from Super Saw synthesizers. And I never added any filters on this lead, but it's because it's good and it's enough for me, so I didn't want to do too much on this beat. Then I went straight to the drums. You know, man, the drums has to be hard and hitting, so I added the reverb and the distortion on the drums. How do they sound if I turn everything off and if I turn everything back on? So man, the last thing was the 808. No, I mean second last, because there is the last thing which is the flute. But now when it comes to 808, I had to follow the root notes. And then I had to make the same exact 808 pattern, but different in some sort of way. And last but not least, it was the flute. Oh, I love this flute. So crazy, man, the way I edited it, like, come on, man. Yeah, man, that's pretty much for this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new to the video, make sure you subscribe, man. Don't be a hater, bro. We're trying to create something, man. I know maybe many of you will be like, nah, this is not a little baby type beat, blah blah blah. Nigga, what the what do you know about little baby? What do you know about beats, man? It's cause like this is creation. I'm creating from scratch. Anyways, thank you. Let me know which time.